Hello Lantau, and welcome to day 8 of your science home learning, where we're digging into how can we protect ourselves in collisions. And before you start today, you're going to complete this survey that will allow us to gather some information so that we can start to form some small groups in math and science so that we can support one another in the areas that we need it. And today is all about designing solutions. You guys have been doing a fantastic job asking very good questions and building some models and conducting some investigations. So today is about designing a solution to protect someone in a collision. You're going to watch two videos, one here and do the thinking routine, as well as one here and answering these questions. So please make sure that you preview these questions here before you watch the video. And you've got one more video here that will introduce to you the engineering process, which is what you're going to be doing today, a rapid design challenge. So your problem today is you are going to design a solution that will reduce the impact on an object involved in a collision. And you can choose any two objects that you might have at home. Perhaps you want to model the collision of vehicles by using modeled toy cars. And your constraints are that you should be using reusable or recycled materials. So head to your recycling bin and see if you can find some toilet paper rolls or some packaging materials that you can use to reduce the impact on an object that is involved in the collision. You're going to define the problem, you're going to build, and then you're going to test and share. And I'm looking for a video of you testing your design. And I'm interested to know, well, how did you know if it was successful? What did you measure, or by what criteria did you use to know if your design is successful? And you're going to post that video in the Schoology discussion for today. So remember that this is a rapid design challenge. So the idea is that the building and the testing is 15 minutes in this challenge. And if you need any help, you know that I'm always reachable by chat, by email. Just reach out. I'm more than happy to help you. So good luck, and can't wait to see how you reduce the impact on an object involved in a collision. See you soon.